Saturday, the 9th of August, 2025, 10 till 12, Jet Roberts Road. We have come out of Jefferson, Georgia on old US 129. Came out of the old Bell's Shopping Center parking lot. It's now BJ's. We turned right on, what was it, Jet Roberts Road. Doing a little tour. Little Jackson County back roads. Very scenic little road here. Very pleasant, 76 degrees, going to about 83, partly cloudy. For the next 5 days, it's going to be low 80s, low 60s to high 60s to low 70s at night. We don't know where this road's going to take us out at, but it's a very nice looking little Georgia back roads, Jackson County back roads. Nice scenic little back road. We're getting 2 videos. We're recording with the Samsung S22 Ultra mounted on one of our new mounts, or on the new mount on the windshield. The S22 Ultra and the Osmo Action 5 mounted on a suction cup mount on the windshield. The Osmo, you see part of the hood. The S22, you see nothing but the scenery coming out. We're headed north. We are north of Jefferson. We don't know where these roads go. We'll see. Very nice agrarian setting. I would say rural, but there's not much rural in Georgia anymore. Not by the strictest definition, anyway. Stringer, what do they do? Sawmill. That is good to know. We might be able to get rough cut pine there. Very good to know. The 2019 Express van, checking it out some more before we head out on the road. We've been working on the 98, getting it ready to sell, if we decide to keep this one. Checking and monitoring gas mileage with our first tank fill up. We checked it. The computer said we were getting 15.5. With the actual calculations dividing out the miles by the gallons, it said 15.7. That was a surprise. I wasn't expecting it to be anywhere near that high. I thought the computer was wrong. And we're just driving our normal driving. We're not trying to conserve or whatever. This is a 6-liter Vortec flex fuel engine. It'll run on E85 or the regular gas. It has a 6-speed 6L90 transmission. We've been getting acquainted with the engine and transmission online, learning all about them, everything we can about them. Both have some issues that do concern me, but maybe we won't have any issues. I didn't buy this thing to turn wrenches on it. I will have, or I will do, a transmission fluid and filter change. We're headed in the general direction of commerce, but I don't know. Where we're going to come out. New development. I think that sign was the Jackson County Fire Station right there on the right. Got structural steel sitting there on the ground, so that was probably correct. Are we coming up on 85? It looks like we are. Yep. Right there is 85. We're going to turn right. We've been out this road, but I don't remember where it comes out. Aldi Foods warehouse. This big warehouse is still empty. Logistics center. Looks like this one over here is too. Take this little dirt road. We have come through this dirt road from the other way, but we'll get us a little dirt road video today. It's not a long dirt road. Old farmhouse on a dirt road, my kind of property. Much space on these little dirt roads. Got a mailbox there. Little stream, not much of a stream, but I see some little fish in it. couple little minnows. Please like, share, and subscribe. We now have a car note, truck note. We need subscribers, we need views, watch hours, likes, shares. We need them bad. We weren't breaking even with gas before, and now with a car note. The gas mileage with this will be a huge benefit when we're on the road. This is about a 26, 27, close to 30% savings in gas, and when you're on the road, that is a huge savings. I don't see any blooms in this kudzu, but we have seen some kudzu blooming. It's about time for it. I used to think kudzu was the fastest growing planet, and then growing plant on the planet. And then I heard seaweed was, but I think I have since learned that actually the fastest growing plant on Earth is bamboo. Newer construction or addition, relatively new concrete block added onto an older house. This video is over 12 minutes long. When we get through with this dirt road, we'll go ahead and upload this one from the, or get started on it and upload it, get started editing and uploading it from the phone, from the S22 Ultra. There's an old vehicle. I don't know what kind it is. We got a Mockingbird sitting up there on top of it. Stop right here in the shade, and we're going to go ahead and get this S22 video uploading, and we'll go ahead and turn off this Osmo Action 5. Gold finches, little yellow finches, yellow-bellied mean birds,
what I call them. They're having a heyday out here today.